All right, folks, here's another little continuation, shorter video this time, but as you can see, the tiles started going up a few sections at a time here and there. We put some stone on the backsplash along with some Schluter accent trims on the corner edges. Use some wedge spacers to keep the spacing even. There's those LED lights up on the niche. And a lot of little cuts and spacers went up everywhere. We put a shelf on top of those glass blocks there, and then started the next wall and went up from bottom up. The stones, you can tell there's some corners or the edge pieces where I cut these little square panels. A lot of pieces wound up falling off, but I kept them, and they ended up filling those gaps with a thin set after everything was all filled in. Here's where I was installing the shelf. There's those little tiny pieces that I saved and then numbered and still put into the niche as I was tiling, and just continued going up the next wall and then the next wall. Did the window niche also, and then all this tile, the Schluter, a little shelf there in the corner, and continued on. Stay tuned for the next video. All right, thanks for watching.